Today's date is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Guys, how in the world did it get to be May 20th? Doesn't it feel like the month of May just started? And here we are at the 20th. We're almost at the end of May. Time is going by quickly. So of course the way we write the date in digits is 5/20/20. 2020. All right, let's do a couple of math meeting type things here before we move on to our lesson. And one of them is I want to read a story problem to you. Okay, and as I read the problem, I'm going to put some numbers on the board. So listen, last week, Paige read 37 pages. Cody read 54 pages. And Cheyenne read 43 pages. How many pages did the three children read all together? Okay, well, we know that we can add these numbers vertically, right, and find our answer quickly. I'm going to line up my ones and line up the tens. Okay, so let's solve this problem. We have we're adding three two-digit numbers here. Here we go. Let's start at the top with our ones. What is 7 plus 4? It's 11, and 11 plus 3. It is 14. Good job. We're going to put our 1 up here and our 4 down here. There is the number 14. Okay, let's do our tens. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 5. 9, and 9 plus 4, 13. And how many pages did the three children read all together? 134 pages. This is a number that went over 100. Good job. So now we have a hundreds, tens, and ones place. 134. All right, I have a little clock here. I'm going to give you just a few seconds and see if you can tell me what time is on this clock. Okay, I hope you looked at your hour hand first. Your hour hand is the what hand, long or short? It's your short hand. What hour is the short hand pointing to? It is the 8. Okay, if it's anywhere at the 8 or past the 8, the hour is 8. Okay, and then how about your long hand? If we count by 5s, how many minutes past the hour of 8 is it? 5:10, right? So it is 10 minutes past 8, or 8:10. It's in the morning. Is it AM or PM? It is AM, so we would say 8:10 AM. Now I have another question for you. What if an hour passed? If the clock went all the way around, one full time back to the 2, what time would it be? If the clock went forward an hour, what time would it be? I hope you're saying 9:10, right? Because the hour would then go to the 9, and it would be 9:10 AM. How many minutes are in an hour? Do you remember last week when we counted around the clock? How many minutes? There are 60 minutes in an hour, aren't there? So here's a question for you. How many minutes are in 2 hours? Ooh, what is 60 plus 60? How many minutes are in 2 hours? Let's add that up and find out. 0 plus 0 is 0, and 6 plus 6 is what? It's 12. So 2 hours has how many minutes? 120 minutes. And we could keep adding that up. A fun thing to do would be to find out how many minutes are in a whole day. Ooh, that would be a big one to work up. Okay. All right, let's very quickly move on. We are just going to look at our subtracting 4 facts today. These will be the last new facts that you will have for this year, guys. Now, next year in 2nd grade, you will continue on with your addition and subtraction facts, and you will also be learning your multiplication facts. So you will continue on from where we're going to leave off, but I want you to keep practicing these over the summer so that you will be ready to move on with Mrs. Jones next year, okay? All right, subtracting 4. Okay, what we're going to do today is I'm just going to very quickly go down through the side here. I want you to get this sheet out and have it ready to do with me. This is 80-1A. Okay, so have that out and fill this in along with me, and then you will only need to do the back when we're finished. Okay? All right, I don't want this to run on too long, so we're just going to move on here. Now, guys, subtracting 4 is the exact same thing as subtracting 3 and subtracting 2 and subtracting 1. We're just going to count back, okay? Except this time we're counting back 4. All right, let's make a little number line here. We're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to go to 11. All right, here we have a small number line. Okay, let's look at the first one. Let's do 4 minus 4. Okay, if we are at 4, and then we're going to count back 4, right? Okay, so 3, 2, 1, 0, right? 4, take away 4 is 0. You know that. Good job. Okay, let's skip a little bit down here. We're going to do 9. What is 9 minus 4? Okay, let's go to our 9. We're going to count back 4. Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, 9 minus 4 equals 5. Now, how do we check this? Remember how we've done this in the past? How can we check to know that we have this correct? Let's flip it around, right? What is 5 plus 4? 5 plus 4 is 9. So we know this is correct. Good job. Okay, let's go to 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. Okay, we're going to count back. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2, and we know that 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, good job. All right, if 4 minus 4 is 0 and 6 minus 4 is 2, what is 5 minus 4? Right there in the middle, isn't it? You know that 5 minus 4 is 1 because 1 plus 4 is 5. Good job. If 6 minus 4 is 2, then 7 minus 4 equals 3 because 3 plus 4 is 7. And then 8 minus 4 equals, yeah, that's an easy one, isn't it? Because this is a double. You know that the answer is 4 because 4 plus 4 equals 8. All right, let's keep going. What's 10 minus 4? Well, you've been doing 10 minus 3, and you know that 10 minus 3 is 7. So then what's 10 minus 4? 10 minus 4 is 6. Good job. 6 plus 4 equals 10. How about 11 minus 4? 11 minus 4 is 7 because 7 plus 4 is 11. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 13 minus 4. Well, you know because we're going down here, right? But also you know that 9 plus 4 equals 13, right? Good. 13 minus 4 is 9. This is an easy one. 14 minus 4. This is a nice even number, right? If you have 14 and you count back 4, the answer is 10 because 10 plus 4 is 14. And the last one, if 14 minus 4 is 10, then 15 minus 4 equals 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Good job. Let's very quickly do your wrap up, and then I'm going to set you free to do this on your own, okay? On the back side. Here we go. We're going to start with our 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Okay, wrap it around to the 9. 9 minus 4 equals 5 because 5 plus 4 is 9. 8 minus 4 equals, here's your double. What is it? 8 minus 4 is 4 because 4 plus 4 is 8. And 12 minus 4 equals 8 because 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, let's go to the 7. 7 minus 4 equals 3 because 3 plus 4 is 7. How about 11 minus 4? 11 minus 4 equals 7 because 7 plus 4 equals 11. Here's an easy one. 4 minus 4. Yep, it's 0. And 13 minus 4. I hope that 9 is popping into your head because 9 plus 4 is 13. Good job, guys. 14 minus 4. That's another easy one, right? Because you know that it's 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 6 minus 4. Yeah, if you have 6 and you take 4 away, how many are left? 2. Because 2 plus 4 is 6. We're getting to the end here. Here's the big one. 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 equals 11. And the last one, 5 minus 4 equals, you got it, only 1 left. And that is how you do your minus 4 wrap up. So turn over to the back and you're going to practice wrapping that up yourself, and we're just going to keep practicing these for a few more days. Good job.